I just picked up this 1996 Polaris Trail Boss for 750 bucks. It does not go into reverse, but it runs and drives. Hopefully an easy fix. I guess we'll find out. Got the transmission back in, got the reverse fixed. It actually goes into gear now. It was about a $50 fix. Spent time. Shined up the frame. I'm guessing this thing doesn't have many hours, judging by there's very little paint wore off on the foot guards here. That's even in there, you know, it's all brand new looking. Just got the WD-40 can out and started rubbing on things. Yeah, it looks really good. Got the seat looking like new. Just took some spray nine and a brush, scrubbed it, pressure washed it. Had to replace the air box. Surprisingly, they're still available. The plastic was broken here, so got a new one. It was just about 70 bucks. Just gonna try cleaning up the pipe here. It looks pretty dirty. Some steel wool and some spray nine. Should come out, hopefully bring the black back around. Pipe came out looking real nice. Looks brand new again. I ended up painting the header pipe because it was too far gone. I just got this thing out for a test drive. Bad news, I think the transmission's got a knock. When I drive it, I hear a dunk, 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 dunk. So basically, like, I straightened the axle out. It was bent on the end here. But yeah, the knock didn't go away. So I checked the chains and the sprockets. They're all free and easy. So I'm thinking the shaft inside the transmission's bent. So I'm going to drive it here. Hopefully it gets better. Or else this is going to suck because I'll have to pull the transmission again. It does look good though. Clean. Sounds like it's coming from the transmission. It's so hard to tell, but I don't know. At the local sand dune here. See if I can hear it better without the seat on, but So I just came back from riding it. I think the verdict is the transmission. I put my hand on it while I was kind of driving, and I could feel it clicking. Like I held the engine, it was just a steady vibration. Put it on the transmission, you could feel it clicking, that steady rhythmic, like kind of almost like a knocking sound. So obviously whatever popped that snap ring up on the reverse gear the first time I was in there was probably a bent shaft. I should have looked harder at that. That's my bad. So I guess I'll pull the transmission out again. Oh, tight one. Oh. Oh. I think this chain has got way too much play in it. See that side there isn't moving and this one's really flexing. I'm pretty sure that's the snapping I'm hearing. I got the new chain in there. It is much tighter than the last one, so hopefully that'll do it. I changed one of the bearings. It's a little noisy. The other ones are all good, so. This thing was running like really rich in the mid-range. I don't know if you guys could tell from the video, but he said he put like an all balls carb kit in it from the guy I bought it from. So I wonder if he didn't put the wrong needle in it. So I got a Polaris one, proper one. I'm gonna try it and hopefully that fixes it. I got the quad all back together. Took it for a test drive last night. Noises went away, so it's actually guy's coming to pick it up right now. A quick sell. I posted it last night and he's already coming here today. Sounds like he's gonna give me $2,000 for it, so that'd be a nice profit. So I'll see how it goes. But yeah, it's looking good. Everything seems to work. Just bled the foot brake, had a little bit of air in it, but other than that, yeah, good to go. We're getting ready for paint here, but I just sold the quad for quick 2,000. Nice little profit. I put a lot of work into it though, so maybe dollars per hour. I don't know how good I made out, but still gone. Hopefully it's reliable for the guy. I tried to make it as best as I could.